Bubbly bee.
Let's learn the vegetables. I am tomato. I am red and juicy. I am capsicum. I come in different colors. I am cauliflower. I am white in color. I am cabbage. I am crunchy. I am broccoli. I looks like tiny tree. I am carrot. I am orange and crunchy. I am onion. I make food taste better. I am pumpkin. I'm big and orange. I am eggplant. I am purple in color. I am potato. I'm brown and round. I am corn. I am yellow, great for snacks. I am beetroot. I am red, good for salad. I am bittergourd. I am green and better taste. I am bottle gourd. I am long and green. I am zucchini. I'm green and squishy. I am ladyfinger. I am slim like finger. I am cucumber. I'm cool and green. I am fenugreek leaves. I am green and tasty. I am spinach. I am green and healthy. I am spring onion. I am green and tall. I am coriander leaves. I am green and flavorful. I am garlic. I am small and spicy taste. I am ginger. I have spicy flavor. I am mushroom. I'm like a little umbrella. I am peas. I am tiny and green. I am lettuce. I am crunchy and fresh. Like, share, subscribe.